can I tell you a secret? People will talk about you no matter what. No matter if you are rich or you're poor, people will talk about you. So instead of like being poor and having people talk about you, be really, really rich and really, really successful, and then allow people to talk about you.
Give them something to talk about.
Yeah. My bullshit and my bullshit is your bullshit.
Crazy. By the way, just before we start, our microphone just died. We didn't charge the batteries, so excuse the sound quality.
Jake.
Yeah, of course. If you can blame me, why not? Always my fault, right?
Okay, so get ready. This video is raw. We are just sharing with you behind the scenes secret to our success.
Rachel and Jake.
Dadon. Woo!
Here we go.
Move your face! Yare yare does it. Throw an elbow!
Oh, and that's another funny topic. Okay, so I love when we are coming up with like a new idea, and then people will go, "Oh my God, you can't do that. You're going to fail." Blah 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 blah. Remember the first story that I told you about, like when people tell me you're going to fail? Well, not in my house. And then,
After we're doing whatever it is that other people told us we won't be able to make, or it's not going to be a smart thing, or it's a waste of time, and we're nailing it and we're succeeding in it, and it proved itself right. Next thing you know, they're copying us and they're doing the same thing. That's something I really like.
Yeah, that's something. But it's funny. At least, like, you know what? Like, man up, and like tell it to my face. Like, oh my God, Rachel, that was like a solid idea. Can we just like use it, whatever? And I'm like, 100% yes. By now, both of us that we don't mind sharing ideas, whatever it is, even marketing pieces I send to other realtors for them to use. But always ask. Don't just go and be shady and like just like copy paste it behind my back. That's shady. That's just shady, honestly. So what else is a secret to our success? I think that like another important thing is to have crazy goals and that you want to achieve, and don't just settle.
No settling is the majority of it. It's just like, it's very important. As pure as it sounds, don't settle.
Yeah.
If you want to get something, then go and get it and do it the right way from the get-go and all in. Don't half-ass it.
Yeah.
It's not going to do you any good.
Oh, and I think I forgot to say something about like working with your spouse. I think that like the true secret about like working with your spouse is having no ego and understanding that there are things that Jake is phenomenal at. Phenomenal. Like when he is going on a listing, or when Jake represents sellers and investors. I know that will like sound like that, but like literally at times I'll just sit like on the side and like hear him talking with the client, and I'm like, dude, like solid, bam, and
if you insist.
But that's the thing that it's not a competition. Like I know that I'm phenomenal at things that I do, and he's phenomenal at things that he does, and I don't step into his territory and he doesn't step into my territory. Or if we step into each other's territory, I don't mind to take like the second place.
It's more the way of accommodating. So
yeah,
this, for example, right? All those those YouTube channel, everything that we do right now, I have no problem admitting I'm not as good at it as Rachel does, right? Rachel loved the camera loved Rachel. You guys are talking with each other constantly, and I'm every now and then just jumping here and there on a video every now and then. Now, all the behind the scene, all the logistics, all those kind of things, I'm there to accommodate. Why? Because she needs my help. She needs to be in the front right now, and that's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Other things, I need to be in the front, and she's going to be in the back. And this is where we're just accommodating one each other, and just like she said,
And
no
I think
ego.
I think that the biggest thing that will help you, and it's not only if you're like working with your spouse, it's just like a marriage tip, like a general marriage tip, is like his success is my success, and my success is your success.
Yeah.
Your
So it's a
bullshit
partnership.
is my bullshit, and my bullshit. Kevin Hart. I love him.
Anyway, but it's about any partnership. It can be a marriage partnership. It can be a business partnership. It can be
Yeah.
about everything. Once you're working with someone else, put the ego aside. Look at the best interests of the goal. What you're trying to achieve. Put that
Of
in
the
the center,
team.
in the focus, and just whoever can add more at that second, at that time, at that place, will step up, and you need to step
Yeah.
back. Great. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, that's it. I think that's crucial. And if more people will do that, I think that we will see more and more couples working together, because I think at the end of the day, like it's so much fun, because like when he succeeds, it's like it's for our household. It's not like he's just, I don't know, some like random, I don't know, my boss or something. And
One more thing that is the biggest, I think this is the biggest secret for our success, is hitting the like button.
smashing the light back in the
That's the best success there is. Yeah. Try it,
And
hit it, and you'll see.
Do you want to succeed in life?
Hit the like button.
Another thing that is the way that we look at our business, or like the way that we operate, is we are like a lighthouse. It's crucial for us, and this idea, it's not my idea. It's by Stacy. Oh my God, I forgot her last name. I'll give her credit in the comments. She wrote a phenomenal book. It's called Attracting the Perfect Clients. And over there, she describes how business owners need to be like a lighthouse. You need to make yourself shine, be the best that you can be, and then allow your clients to find you. Instead of, she gives the best example over there. Can you imagine if like a lighthouse will like run on the beach back and forth, and like running after all the ships? I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you. It will just like look weird. That's the reason why we're not chasing clients. And the way that we see it, if you want your house sold, or if you want to buy a house, and I don't care if you have fears, if it's a difficult transaction, if you are a single mom, a veteran, whatever, like we are there for you 1,000,000%. But I always tell my clients, there is no scenario that you will want this less than I want this for you. Because if I want this for you with all my heart and soul, I need you to be on board.
All aboard!
Yeah? So we are a lighthouse.
We are a lighthouse. Remember, very, very simple rule to make that work. 70-30 rule, right? What is the 70-30 rule? She's doing 70% of the talking, I'm doing 30%.
So funny. Anything else that you want to add?
Pretty much done.
Pretty much
There's
done.
a lot, but I mean, not for that video.
I think like you got the point. So this was a little bit of like behind the scene of our success. If you want to grab coffee with us, you know that we are like always open to share our thoughts, whatever helped us to succeed in life. And the way that we see it the more people will be happy and successful in this world. I think it will benefit all of us.
Now, if you're not local, right, and you want to chat with us, you can definitely hit the comment below. We'll be more than happy to answer any emails or even jump on a Zoom call with you guys if that's something you guys want to go.
Just share the good.
Please, feel free.
And that's it. And now, before we go, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And thank you so much.
Yeah, definitely subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button. There's a lot of work involved in gathering all the material for the videos and videoing and editing it. That's going to be a great help for us. And if you want to, get posted on all those future videos, just press the ring button, the bell button, so you'll get notifications. And that's it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
And I hope that all of you will succeed. You got this. Bye.
Over your face! Yare yare does it. Throw an elbow!